for one. I want cameras on. Natalie, are you feeling better? I was going to get the charger for you. No, I want cameras on, or I'm putting you in the waiting room and you're going to miss math. Adrian, let's go. Okay. I haven't looked at the pages yet. Page 22. Sorry, page 22. Share my screen. We're on 20, page 22. Some of y'all may have already answered it. Page 22. Where's RJ at? He's gonna come in a few minutes. What page are we on?
What page?
22. Boy, yesterday I didn't repeat very much. Did we? It was quiet yesterday. Page 22 at home. Are you on page 22? Oh, yes. Ryan's not here. There's a lot of y'all missing today.
Is Natalie here?
Yeah. There's a lot of people missing.
I know Vita's here because I guess her they got sick today.
Is the pit up there?
Teachers and staff members, thank you for your participation in today's emergency drill for our shelter in place. If you have questions or if you need some directions for future drills or possible scenarios, please talk to Ms. Dellinger. Thank you.
Are you going to the restroom? Go quickly.
All the doors locked.
I'm gonna go when you're in the car. I'm trying to use it.
I need to go while you're on that computer reading the book. No, I'm not starting back yet. Even on here. Never mind. Let's switch it up. Go to your basic facts. Did we do 19? Basic facts 19?
No.
47? Did we do page 47? Go to page 47.
Yeah, we did it. I'm not giving y'all. Mr. Norton, we did it.
Okay, then 48. Go to page 48, your basic facts. I'm not starting problem solving. You're already using the restroom. Page 48, let's go.
No, we didn't. Did we do this page?
You know what? I have no clue. Just go to page 48.
Okay.
It is what it is. Page 48. It is what it is. Yeah, I think y'all did it. Page 48 instead, because there's some that are going to the restroom. Let's go. Page 48. Start.
Isn't this like our last basic facts?
Yeah. You'll be getting new math next 6 weeks. Or next week. Sorry, you'll have to come pick it up. Let's go. Page 48. AJ, go quickly. Anybody else? Girl, Chloe, do you have to go? You just go.
I need to go.
I'm not letting y'all go again. So until we have a break. So y'all do not ask to go during math. Get started on your basic facts.
Let's check on this. It's 4 times 6, 24. Yep.
Page 48. Cameras need to be on. Page 48.
Miss Hernandez?
Yes. Are you still sick?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Thanks for letting me know. Where's your chart at? These other things before that? Did you?
Is it 7, 42?
Go back to the page before that thing. Yeah, once Adrian gets back, we'll go over it. All right, let's start going over these. Number one, at home, who's gonna answer number one? Somebody from home, let's go.
8.
8. 4 times what gives us 24?
6.
6.
5 times what gives us 20?
4.
7 times what gives us 49?
7.
Jacob, what's number 5? 9 times what gives us? 4. 6. 3 times what gives us 21?
7.
7, and you would bubble in 7 right here because it's in the one space. Number 7. Blank times what gives us 54? This was a hard one. Nope.
9.
Michael.
9.
9. 2 times what gives us 8?
4.
4.
7 times what gives us 42?
6.
6.
8 times what? I know Vita wants recess later or break. 8 times what gives us 32?
That 4.
2 times what gives us 16?
8.
I could get more people to participate like you. 8 times what gives us 48?
6.
We probably would have no problems.
Did you say if you don't participate?
I told them that and I threatened them, and some won't even care. So we're multiplying times 10. So I'm going to put a 0 here, here, and then I'm going to go to my answer choice and put a 0. That's our little trick.
I did both.
Which one of those is correct? Are they equal right here?
A.
I got A. Let's see.
I got C.
7, 9. I think somebody needs to go back.
I got A. A looks like the right answer.
Yeah, it's A. It's C.
No, it's C.
Yeah, it is C. It is.
Because 7
The two.
A is 7.
Hey.
Oh, wait. I was on the wrong page.
Bingo.
I was on the wrong page. I was on 46.
No, that's not right.
It's C.
It's C.
No, it's C. Because it's the same number in the same way. For it to be right.
Hold on.
It's be right.
Hold on. Somebody's having problems
I
with
was on the wrong page because I switched pages.
Adrian, go solve number 6 real fast while I try to fix this Zoom problem.
We're on the board.
Yeah, go while I try to fix this Zoom problem. Somebody's having trouble with Zoom, so. Put those zeros in there. Adrian's gonna work it out for us. Put the zeros on your answer. With your why'd you move it? Just pick up the pen and put the zeros down there. Adrian's gonna help us.
I found my answer for 14.
What's our Zoom? Zoom. Let's see if he's right. What's up?
Do I put the answer?
Yeah, put the answer. Is he right or wrong? You already forgot. Why don't you just look at your answers? Meetings.
I think it's
Meetings. Copy invites. Did he get it right? Did he get it right? Bingo. Can you erase the board while you're up there while you do this?
Okay.
With your hand.
We're circling on everything.
Cheese, beans and cheese. Back to page 22. I didn't want to start while they were in the bathroom. Number 20. I'll read it and then y'all start it, okay? Just like we've been doing. Troy had 5 shelves with 10 baskets of peaches on each shelf. Each basket contained 2 pounds of peaches.
What page is that?
22. Which equation represents P, the total weight of Troy's peaches? What we've been doing all week long.
It's blurry.
Oh, sorry.
20.
I'm sitting at my desk trying to
5
fix.
shelves.
Is it still blurry?
And 2
Hold on. Is it blurry? I can't tell if it's blurry from over here.
Yeah, I didn't know.
No? Okay. Hold on, Michael. I'm trying to fix this. 22. I'm trying to send this. Zoom link for try entering meeting ID and password. On Zoom link or try entering his password. So what we've been doing all week long. Page 22. So what do I need to underline, I guess? Where's my question at? What is
equation represents P?
Good job. The total weight? So, how many shelves did he have, I guess, first off?
5.
I'm going to make sure I don't tell y'all wrong. I won't tell y'all wrong. So he's got 5 shelves. How many baskets of peaches go on each shelf?
10.
So you got to do what with those 2 numbers?
Multiply.
Multiply times 10. Good. And then he's got 2 pounds of them. So we're looking for the total weight. So what are you going to have to do with the 2? What we've been doing all week long.
Multiply with 10.
Yep. Equals P. So what do we get?
I put 5 times 10 times 2 equals P.
B.
Mariah, come in yet? At home, do y'all see what we're doing? It's what we've been doing all week long. Get started on letter 20B. The next problem. What? Goodness gracious, no. Get started on the next one. Get started on 20B. Hey, you're not circling and highlighting everything I'm doing. Come on. 20B. At home, you are going to answer this one. A football stadium has 36 sections with 6 rows of seats in each section. There are 9 seats in each row. Which equation represents S, the total number of seats in the stadium? You aren't answering this one. Not because I don't want you to answer them, because I want them at home to see they're paying attention. Okay, now let's keep going. Ready to get it?
I got it.
Drawing is not going to help. You get it?
Yes.
Good. I was just talking like this. Good. Good. Not see Mariah on video. Right. Gentle when y'all breathing. Pray it already. At home, what are we going to underline? We need to underline our what in each problem every time in reading and math.
Each.
Our question, first off, right? In reading, we underline our question. What are our important numbers in here? I guess we got 3 of them. A football stadium has 36 sections with 6 rows of seats in each section. There are 9 seats in each row. What do we need to circle first? Come on, at home. At home, I'm waiting. Y'all have to answer this one because they already answered one. Let me see. Come on. What are we circling?
Each.
Not each. What are our numbers? We need numbers, don't we?
36, 6 and 9.
36, 6, and 9, right? So what are we going to do with 36 and 6?
Let's play them.
Times.
Then what about 9? There's 9 seats in each row. What are we going to do with that?
Times again.
Yeah. What we've been doing all week long equals S. So what's our answer?
H backwards.
H.
H.
Yes, I got it right.
H. Yeah, I think y'all got it right.
Ain't that like equal answer?
Yeah, that's the answer.
Ain't that for like 19A, 19B, 20A?
Good job.
It's all the answers, so we're already know.
What's Paige's skills today? Place value. Oh, here we go with place value. This is going to take a while. Place value. This is going to take a while. Get your place value charts out. The ones that have it labeled.
What page is this?
Mariah, 78. I know you just had problems getting in. That's fine. I don't know why you keep having problems. But page 78. Glad you're here.
Okay.
It's fine. I know
They
you.
didn't let me in earlier. They just kept on saying connecting, and then it got
Yeah, that's fine. Page 78. If it's having problems like that, just close out that Zoom and enter the passcode and the password in and everything else. Maybe that will help. 78. Place value chart 2, the one that has it labeled for y'all. Come on, we're not starting to see place value charts out. 78. Did you do it? Oh, 78. And your place value charts. I didn't work an extra 10 minutes printing those for y'all. Nothing. And labeling them. Were you ever going to get a teacher that labels your place value charts for you? Probably never. Normally you would do it by yourself. Yes. Y'all get them? Page 78.
I'm on the page.
Good news for the ones that stay virtual again. You should be getting place value chart paper or graph paper. When you pick up your math stuff. So. Ooh. Huh?
After that we took off, everybody got like virtual stuff and then like virtual stuff. Like virtual goggles and
what?
we do like class in there.
Jacob, you have this page out? Okay. Number 1, the width. Oh, I don't even have my place value chart out. The width of a raisin is 6 6/10 of 6/10 centimeters thick. Which of the following statements is true? Which of the following statements is true? So I'm going to plug in 6/10 into my place value chart. I want to see all of y'all plug it in. 6/10. That means pretzel sticks, right? Come on, plug it in. Let's go. Plug it in. Plug it in. Do your place value chart like I did. Jacob, go sit up front with me because you worked very well up front with me yesterday. Come on. Let's go, Jacob. Bring your math and your place value, your pencil. Come sit up here. Plug it in the right place like where I did. Where's the one from that has stuff on it? AJ, don't make a new one if you have it already. I'm find my answers. Make sure it's coming the right answer. Okay, no, I didn't get the wrong answers.
Did you get new candy?
Yes. I have yet to give Edie. 6 holes is 1/10. So it's saying that 6 holes right here, y'all don't have to put this in, is smaller than 6/10. Is that true?
No.
Is 6 holes smaller than 6/10? 6 pretzel sticks. Is it?
6 holes.
No, it's not, right? At home, is it smaller? What's bigger, the holes or the pretzel sticks?
The holes.
The holes. So that's not right. And then 0.06 is 1/100. If you're going this way, it's always it's 10 times greater.
And 1/100.
Is it? When you're moving over a place, it's either 1/10 or 10 times greater. We only went over a place, didn't we? Isn't our 6?
It is not true.
It is not true, yeah. Y'all don't have to write what I'm writing on y'all's place value.
Just a 0.6.
Just a 0.6. So it's $6 10 times greater than 6 pretzel sticks. So if I multiply this number times 10, would it be, well, y'all haven't even done decimals, but like I said, if you move this way, it's 1/10 or 10 times greater. So if you move over a place to the right, so 1/6 is 1/10 of 6, or 6/10. What the question's asking is saying 6 is 10 times greater than that. If you move over a place, it's either 10 times greater or 1/10. Is that true? Because we moved over how many places over this way? How many places did our 6 move over? Come on. How many places did our 6 move over? It didn't move over 6 places. This is a place, this is a place, this is a place. Oh.
They're in the same. They were in the same place.
They're in the same place?
No.
No. How many? Oh!
Doing this.
There's 6s here. We jumped 1 place over. That means that 6, this 6 right here is 10 times greater than that, is what it means. Is that statement true?
Yes.
Yes. That's just, when you move over 1 place, it's either 10 times greater or 1/10 of that number we moved over. The next one, let's see what the next one says. You might be doing that one by yourself. Oh, this one's tricky. Mark's teacher wrote the following statement about a digit in a number. Its value is 10 times greater than the value of the underlying digit. Circle the number that marks the statement. So, its value is 10 times greater than the underlying digit. So, let's look at our underlying digits. Let's look at the first one. The value is 10 times greater than the value of the underlying digit. The value is 10 times greater than the value of the underlying digit. The circle one, right? Is the one we're looking at? Yeah. Okay. So on this one, it's asking us, the question is the circle number right here 8,000? Is it greater than our underlying digit 80,000?
Yeah.
So our circled number right here. You highlight it in a different color. Our circle number right here. Our circle number right there, 8,000, is 10 times greater than 80,000. Which number is bigger? 8,000 or 80,000?
80,000.
80,000. So our question for this part, it's asking us, the next part, is 8,000 10 times greater than 80,000? How can it be greater than 10 times greater than 80,000 if it's smaller? Can it? Can 8,000 be 10 times greater than 80,000?
Yeah.
So you're telling me if you have money, you would rather have
No, he couldn't.
at home. This is for y'all too.
It just needs to move 2 more.
What page is that? Because I went to go wash the clothes with my mom.
What page is this?
78.
78. You're telling me 8,000 is 10 times greater than 80,000. Chloe, you're telling me, first off, that 8,000 is greater than 80,000.
No, 80,000 is more.
It is more. You're
It's a
telling
big
me,
number.
Chloe, $8,000 is more than $80,000. Hold on, I'm talking to Chloe.
80,000 is more than
Okay, so our question now, it's telling me 8,000 is 10 times greater than 80,000. Is that true? It's not, right? It is not true. Our next, you have to use these 2 numbers right here. That's what it wants you to do. The underlying digit. So, the circle digit, 80,000, is 10 times greater than 8,000. Is that true? The circle digit right here. The circle digit. So, is 80,000 10 times greater than 8,000 now? Which number is greater, 80,000 or 8,000?
80,000. Right here.
So that makes it how many times greater than 8,000? Move over a place. It's either
10 times.
10 times greater. So what's our answer then? Which number would we circle?
80,000.
We would circle, it wants us to circle a number here. But this would be true about that statement. You have to read that and then you have to break it apart and figure out, is my circle, I don't think you have one of these on your test, but you will eventually have something like that. But you have to look at both numbers and look and read the question, which y'all don't like to do.
Yeah, I would think even like.
They're probably just jealous.
Lista's dog weighs 8 and 300 pounds. How is the number written in expanded notation? So 8 and 300. What's that going to look like in our place value chart?
It's gonna look like
Or what is it going to look like as a number? 8 and 300. Somebody tell me. Come on, y'all need to be writing this down.
30.
8 and 300. What's my whole number?
3,000.
What's my whole number? 8 and 300.
8,
8. That's going to be in the what place?
the tens.
The 8. 8 and there's a decimal right here. And means decimal. 8 is going to be in what place? 8 and 300. There's a number before the decimal. What number is that? Read the problem. 8 and 300. 8 and 300. And means there's a decimal right here. And when I say there's a number in front of the decimal, what is it? 8 and 300.
8.
8. When you see the word and, that means there's a decimal in there. Okay, when you see the word and, what does that mean there is? A decimal. Jacob, when you see the word and, that means you have a what?
A decimal.
A decimal. So 8 and 300. Are we talking about Skittles or are we talking about pretzels? What? 300.
What is the answer?
Skittles. So do we have any pretzels? No. So we need to put a 0. And how many hundreds do we have? 3. Right here.
I thought we were looking.
How many hundreds do we have? Adrian, you better be checking these. How many hundreds do we have?
0.
How many hundreds do we have? Read on your paper how many hundreds we have. Read on your paper and tell me how many hundreds we have. We already talked about the 8.
300.
300.
300s. Y'all need to be reading these problems. Math isn't just problems with numbers. It's got words. So how do I write this number in expanded notation? What place is the 8 in? Somebody tell me from home. What place is the 8 in? At home, what place is the 8 in?
The 1
The ones. So 8 times what?
in the 1,000. In the 1,000.
8 times what? Natalie, mute yourself. AJ. What do I multiply 8 times? At home, let's go.
8 times 1.
Yes, 8 times 1. Not here. What are we multiplying the Skittle by? What place is the Skittle in?
The 1.
The Skittle's in the ones?
It's under the O. Only 1.
The 3?
No, the 8.
I already got the 8. I said the 3.
Hundredths.
The 100. So what am I going to multiply it times? 0.1 or 0.01? I get it.
0.01.
0.01.
Because
Thank you.
0.01 is
Point-
100.
Oops.
You forgot to put the parentheses.
0.01. Which one of these is there? Which one of those is your answer? I need to see this on your paper. You aren't just circling things or you're not getting a break later. both of y'all. And I'm not playing. You will not get a break. What's our answer from home?
C.
No.
What's our answer from home? Somebody from home. That's why breaks have been getting shorter and shorter because they don't want to do anything from home. They're going to answer.
C.
What?
C.
D. Thank you, Chloe. Do you see what you did wrong? Look at this right here, Chloe. 0.01. This has 0.1. Is that right?
D and that matches. Those two are the same.
Do you see what you did wrong?
Or I know. I know.
This is in the tenths. This is in the hundreds. We have it right here. If you didn't write it down right, you're going to get that part wrong.
Can I go use the restroom?
You can go during our break time. I said earlier when we were, you just went. You just went. I said nobody's going unless it's our break time. From now on, you go at either during your Myon or right after your Myon, or you go at 9:45 whenever I give you a break. Some of y'all are going 2-3 times in the morning. That's a little crazy.
Or in the evening.
Or the afternoon, yeah. You can wait till the afternoon if you want to. Unless it's an emergency. An automobile maker produced 999,900 new cars last year. Which statement is true about this number? $990. Put in my place value chart. Let's go. A lot of nines. Oh, I forgot my 2 zeros. Oops, hold on. Sorry.
Yeah, it's 900. It's 2 zeros, then a 9, and then.
I wonder why it looks so small. Yeah. It's confusing because I put this part on there. Which statement is true?
The point.
Let's see. The value of the digit in the 10,000s place, so that's a 9, right? Right here. Is 10 times the value of the digit in the hundreds place. Is that true? Is 90,000 10 times greater than 900?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. So you're telling me right now, you said yes. You're not the only one, I'm sure, that would say that. But 90,000 is 10 times greater than 900. How many places did we go back? 1, 2. It would not be 10 times greater, because if we multiply 9 times,
It's 2 times greater.
it would be 100 times greater. Look, if we multiply 900 times 10, how many zeros are going to move over? All these zeros. 3. So here's what we're going to get. Are those two numbers equal?
No, because that one, yes, it is.
They're equal? You have 9,000
No.
and 90,000. Are those two numbers equal? No. So that's not true.
It's really not good when it.
Yes.
Yes.
And I'm just.
Yes. Mariah. What?
What's the next one that we're going to do?
On what? You're like glitching. On what?
Never mind.
Okay. Moving on then. The value of the digit in the 10,000s place is a what? Is a 9, isn't it? A 9 in the 10,000s
He
place.
says
Oh.
the value of the digit in
Oh,
10.
sweet Larry James. Sorry. The digit in the 10,000s place, so right here.
Yeah, but
Did you keep it or?
I know, I'm sorry, because I was trying to, that's why. In the 10,000s place is 1/10, so that means it's going to be smaller. 1/10 means smaller. Then the value of the digit in the thousands place. Let me highlight with a different color. Oops.
Yes, let's try.
Oh, I'm gonna get this right one day. My bad.
What? Try highlighting like yeah.
Okay, so it's telling us that 90,000, okay, is smaller than 9,000. Is that true? Somebody
No,
here.
it's
Jacob.
bigger than 9,000.
At home, is 90,000 smaller than 9,000? That's what that little question. Huh?
No, it's larger.
Larger. So then that statement is incorrect. You just said what? You had it right the first time. Oh, what you said the second time. Let's keep going. Right.
Digit in the thousands place the value of the digit in 100,000 is the place of 10 times the value of the digit in the thousands place.
So the value of the digit in the 100,000s place, a 9 again. Like always, it's a 9 again. It's 10 times the digit in the thousands place. Oh. So it's
Really making you mad.
in the 100,000 space. So, and then we have 9,000. So is 900,000 10 times greater than 90,000? So we would have to multiply 90,000 times what?
90,000 times 900,000
Right.
times.
We have to multiply it times 10. So let's multiply it times 10 and see if we get these two same, we get this number right here, okay? So how many zeros am I going to move over on 90,000 times 10? How many
Three.
zeros?
4.
4. So let's see if we get the same number. So I got 90,000 and I got 900,000. Are these numbers the same?
No.
Are these numbers the same? Somebody tell me. From home, are these numbers the same?
No.
At home. Are those numbers the same? 900,000 and 90,000.
No. No.
So then that can't be right. Let me make sure I did it
Not right.
Did it right? And look, we did all that work. Now we have our answer. Which I know some of y'all would not want to do all this work, so y'all would just pick.
Jay?
You're right. Yeah, Jay.
Which numeral means the same as 8 times
Oh, okay. This one should be one you can do by yourself.
4 times 1,000, 4 times 100, 3 times
We're going to use our place value chart.
0.1, 2 times 0.01.
Okay. Which numeral means the same as 8 times 1,000 plus 4 times 100 plus 3 times 1 plus 6 times 1/10 plus 2 times 100? So what's 8 times 1,000?
8 times 1,000
Jacob.
is
8,000. So the 8's going to go in what place?
the thousands.
Okay, we got that one. What's 4 times 100? Somebody else. What's 4 times 100 from home? Somebody from home. What, Mariah?
Miss Hernandez.
What?
Miss Hernandez. It's
Yes.
400, right?
Yeah, 400. So the 4
You
goes
said
in what
4
place?
times 100.
It belongs in the hundred.
All right.
Yeah.
You
100?
you write in there. 3 times what is what? 3 times 1 is what?
The ones.
So the 1. So we put a 3. Oh, do we have any 10s?
No.
Do we have anything in the 10s place? No, so we need to put a what?
A 0.
A 0, and then we can put our 3 there. Make sure you put your 3 in the right place. There's no 10, so you put a big goose egg. We don't want blank spots in our numbers. What is 6 times 1/10? How many pretzel sticks is there going to be? Come on, how many pretzel sticks is there going to be? No, multiply 6 times what? 1/10. How many pretzel sticks is there going to be?
6.
6. Good, Vida. Yeah. How many Skittles is there going to be? put pretzels and Skittles.
Got the answer.
How many Skittles is there gonna be?
2.
Let's see what y'all get as your answer.
I heard that one.
Got your answer from home. What did y'all get? From home, what did we get? Anybody? Anybody?
Letter B. Answer.
Try again.
I got the answer.
Sometimes I wonder, it's like, how do you have work? Was it hard to work when you had siblings around? Like, oh, I can't imagine.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Is that the same number?
Sometimes when my brother was out of school, I'd always be hearing him.
Yeah, it's not A or B. What's the next one then? Look at your number. You have the right.
Ms. Hernandez.
You have the right answer in there. You have to locate it. There's no reason to miss it when you have it already in your place value chart. Part of it's you don't have your glasses, AJ. Let me see what you got.
Ms. Hernandez.
Yes.
Is it C? Yeah, I got C.
Put a day off yesterday. They did it. They should be tired.
I was on one, not always.
I got C, Ms. Hernandez.
Let's go. We're waiting on you. You have it right there. Ooh, like AJ, there's no reason not to be able to locate your answer on that paper.
That's the easiest one with the graph paper.
Yes.
The graph paper always makes everything easy.
Exactly. Why do y'all think I want y'all to use it? And it was of not much benefit that y'all learned place value at home and not here, because y'all would already be used to the graph paper. Y'all would be used to it. What? So what do we need to do with this number? Before I even start writing, I need to put it in my what? Where do I need to put it? Jacob just answered that question. Where do you need to put it? Where do I put this number? Which statement is true about the number 354,816 and 97 hundredths is true? Where do I need to put this number on? Where should I put it? Because I'm smart and I want the right answer. Where should I put it? And what?
100,000.
But like, where do I put it? Like on what piece of paper? Hey, put that book away. What?
We can do the true or false.
Yes, we can do the true or false, but what, Jacob?
The graph paper.
You need to put it on in the graph paper. There's no reason not to use this lovely graph paper that I can guarantee you no other fourth grade teacher made. No other teacher made for their kids like this. They have to make their own.
Yeah.
They have to make their own. No other teacher made this for their children. So y'all should be using it and loving it. And it also helped with fractions yesterday, didn't it?
Yes, it did. It also helped today.
It did. Maybe y'all should,
Respect it.
respect it. Yeah, that's a good way to look at it. The digit 8 has a value of 8 times 1,000. What place is the 8 in our place value chart?
The hundreds.
So is that true? This statement. 8 has a value of 8,000.
No.
Is that true?
No, it's in the.
No,
Yes. So we're
it's not like the term by millions.
the digit 5 has a value of 500,000.
No, it's in 10,000.
5 is in the 100,000.
It's the big T means 10.
Oh, 10,000.
So is that true?
No.
No. Besides Jacob, the value of the 9 is 90. Is the 9 in the tenths? Not tenths. the tens place, sorry, that would confuse you. Is the 9 in tens place? I heard AJ say no. It's in the tenths. So you got our answer. Jay. AJ.
And put
What'd
it
you get?
true.
Come on.
There's no D on this one.
Jay.
D is J.
At home. I hope y'all get place-value charts with your next math, or you should be getting them.
It
with your
helps
next math.
me on
Stay at home.
5. Also help me on 5. We finished skills.
Go to the restroom. Fractions. I lost my page. Fractions. What's the next page? Somebody go to the fractions page. I know I had
The
it.
next number?
Yeah. That's wrong writer. Doesn't have page numbers. Oopsie. 163, I believe, is our first page. Trust me, no, that's not all we're gonna do with fractions. I've got plenty of work for y'all to do. Y'all are gonna kind of do it by yourself. Plenty of work. 163. Plenty of fraction work.
163?
Maybe I can find something with things or folly and some fractions and we can put it outside for math. 163.
Mixed numbers, you mean?
Mixed numbers, yeah, improper fractions. We're gonna be doing math a lot in a little bit. So
Yes, we really need
that
math.
is easy. Hey, 163. Let's go.
Yeah. We need math.
Okay, use the bookmark. That's what it's for. Not get take your ruler out of there and put your bookmark in there. 163. Which has a fraction shaded 1 7/8, right? Is that what it says? My old eyes cannot see from back here. 1 7/8. 163. Come on. So how many holes do you have shaded in?
1 hole.
1 hole. At home. Camera should be on unless you're RJ or Natalie.
Well,
Wait, Natalie?
only 2 of them have a hole.
So I don't want an excuse. Oh, I can't come to Zoom. Natalie's been on Zoom every day this week, even though she's been sick.
So was I when I was on my
At home. We're looking. Are y'all all on page 163?
Yes.
I
I'm on it. Yes, there's one hole in it.
So we're looking for 1 hole. All right.
Yes.
1 hole and 7/8.
A and B do not have a hole.
Jacob says A and B do not have a hole. So what should I do with A and B?
Cross them out.
Oh,
I just
Finally,
put an
and
X
clicking.
on them.
okay. So both C and D have a hole, so that's good.
That
We're gonna look for 7/8 shaded in on our second fraction. AJ, which one has 7/8?
E has 7/8.
Which has 7/8 shaded in on the
D
second?
has
D
not-
shaded 7/8.
Their community-
D has 7.
He has 7/8 shaded
Yeah, what's your answer?
because C has.
What's your answer? Come on. You are gonna be doing these names
I
by
know.
yourself, and I'm coming around just to check.
5/8.
Then it
Okay.
has 7 shaded in on the other side, and C it only has
That's what else we use.
5 or 6.
Good job. So what's our answer?
D.
This one was
D.
too easy. Hopefully they give y'all one like that on your test. Yeah.
We also use the graph paper for decimals.
Decimals, it's for fractions. It can be a multiplication chart. Yeah. It can be a lot of things.
That's what I got like in 2nd grade.
Is it D?
Yeah. This is that one. This one's tricky. So the model below is shaded to represent a fraction greater than 1. Which fraction is represented? So it wants an improper fraction. It wants this up here. On top for your numerator, wants a number of shaded. Adrian. I don't even have to look. Adrian.
20.
Shaded parts. The number of equal pieces.
Well, there's 20 shaded parts.
Okay. So Jacob says already there's 20 shaded parts. Is he right?
6 pieces. In each.
Jacob says there's 20 shaded pieces at home. Can somebody tell me the same thing, that there's 20 shaded pieces?
What?
How many shaded pieces is there?
And they have 6 in each. Each one has 6 pieces.
Write that down. On number 2. Can somebody confirm his statement
There's 20.
that there's 20?
On mine it's 20.
Okay, yeah, there's 20.
Yeah, there's 20.
So is that going to be our numerator or our denominator? You got it right.
Numerator.
Our numerator.
And the denominator is 6.
Why is it 6, Jacob, and not?
Because there's 6 in each.
Why is it 6 and not 24? I want somebody else to tell me why it's 6 and not 24. Somebody else needs to tell me. Jacob knows why, and I know he'll get this exact problem. I think it's number 2 or 3 on our test. Right. Somebody from home needs to tell me why it's 6 pieces and not 24 as our denominator.
I know why.
Go ahead.
Because there is 6 pieces on each
Bingo, and she left
one.
early yesterday. Yes,
Like
that's exactly what Jacob said. Because each candy bar is cut into how many equal pieces? Somebody better tell me right now.
there's 3.
6. So that's why our denominator is 6.
You have 6 on there, so that is the
Okay?
Our denominator is 6.
Because I saw this last week in fractions.
The
Our
number of
denominator is
shaded
not
parts-
24.
The number of shaded parts is the numerator.
Yes.
The
So what's our
denominator
answer?
Is the how many pieces it's
our answer is G.
Gee, if y'all understand that, then y'all have like 2 problems right already on your test. I think.
I definitely understand.
We would not do math today. What? We would not do a math test today. Why not? Let's see. Number 2 is like this. That might be it. This test is not going to take very long. We said it was G,
I
right?
have something in my backpack. I forgot to give you. I have
Okay.
folders and papers.
Backside. I'm going to let y'all kind of start doing some by yourself. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We did it yesterday. The backside. Flip your page over. 164. At home, when y'all were messing around yesterday after break, we did plenty of these.
I had this in my backpack.
We did plenty of these yesterday.
My mom said to give one package more time to my classes.
164. We did plenty of this, and y'all are about to do plenty of it too.
Yes, and this was using math was easy.
You have plenty of room on your paper, so I want to use this the correct way. We're going to be using MAD. So each of these boys wrote an equation. This is the equation they wrote right here. Which of these students wrote the true equation? We're going to be using MAD with our mixed numbers. So 6, y'all have plenty of room on this paper to do every single one of these math steps.
What page was it again?
What page? 164? 164! Flip the page! Come on, you were not here.
164? Okay.
They got plenty of practice and they're going to get more of it here in a little bit.
Yep. And the graph chart is very helpful. Very, very helpful.
So we're gonna use MAD. We're gonna get MAD. AJ, what are we gonna multiply? What 2 numbers are we gonna multiply? What do y'all remember from yesterday?
The numbers we're going to multiply is.
If you don't know, right here.
6 and 5?
6. Not 6 times 5.
12.
6 times
And
12.
6 times 12.
I don't have the page.
We're not this. It's always the whole times the denominator.
You were good at these yesterday, weren't you? So first we're gonna multiply 12 times 6. What's 12 times 6? Then we're gonna add.
Oh yeah.
You remember this?
I didn't think it's now.
72. Now we need to add. Oh, I should have used a different color. Hold on.
72 was 5.
72. And then we plus what, AJ?
5.
Add plus 5.
72 plus 5 equals 77.
77. And what's our denominator? It stays the what?
77.
It stays the same. This right here, you have, I think, 3 of these problems on your test. I can tell you, you already have 3 like this. It's going to ask you, are they equal? Are they what? No. So now you got to go do that for every one of these. Is this statement true? Does that equal 77 twelfths? Is that what we got?
Yes.
So Brandon's true. Okay. Let's try Julian. We have plenty of room, so I don't want any excuse about, oh, I don't have room to do this.
We have plenty of room.
Plenty of room. What are we gonna multiply? Somebody from home tell me what we're gonna multiply.
7 times 9.
From home.
Oh.
You do it on your paper because I know y'all know. Start doing
7
it.
times 9.
7 times 9. Yes, 7 times 9. All right. What is 7 times 9?
63.
Yo, what's our next step? Mariah, what's our next step? I don't think you were here yesterday. We have to add something. Yes, y'all.
We have to add 63 plus 3.
63
Wait,
plus.
66. Oh, dang it. She already said it.
Yeah, you're right, though. Good. You're right. I want to check because I don't think you did this with us yesterday. I don't remember if you had left yet.
I got 6.
I had left on our first break because I had to go.
Because the most easiest equation was used 3 plus 3.
So then what's my denominator? Somebody else tell me what my denominator is.
9.
9.
Yeah, there's no trick question here.
66 9.
So that's wrong.
So is that right? Right here.
Yes.
No.
No. So Julian is incorrect. But I have to also check Miguel. I can't just stop there.
Yeah.
So let's do 7 and 4 ace. Ace. What are we going to multiply? Somebody else. Adrian, what are we multiplying?
7 and 8.
Yeah, 7 and 8. Yeah. 7 and 8.
7
7 and 8. Equals what? 56. Bingo. No glasses.
He said that he can see perfectly without his glasses.
Yeah, right. What are we going to add to 56? Come on, you were not here yesterday, so you need every single step.
56 plus 4.
56 plus 4. Trust me, we're about to do a bunch of these. Now I'm going to try to find something fun. What do we get 56 plus 4? Michael, come on.
60.
6.
And then our denominator.
60.
60 out of 8.
66 on top and then 8 on the bottom.
No. Good job. So, is that one true?
No.
So, who is the only true equation there?
Brandon. Brandon.
So, what's our answer?
8. At the same time, whenever we were doing Miguel, I knew that it was gonna be wrong because I looked at my answers, and if it was gonna be right, it would say Brandon and Miguel, but there's no Brandon and Miguel.
Oh, yeah, today's Adrian's birthday. Oh, yeah.
Is it? I have birthdays going down. Hold on.
Happy birthday.
Laura spoiled it.
Wait, whose birthday is it?
Adrian's, I think. Okay.
Yeah, mine.
Y'all can close your math binder. I have something for y'all. Yay. Yeah, you're probably going to say nay in a few minutes. when I give it to you.
I should. Look for what?
I lost my papers. Y'all at home, you need a piece of paper. You're going to work out these problems using MAD like we just used.
Yeah, I'd like to use
Y'all might need,
Can we get our math journal?
yeah, you can use your math journal.
No, it's an assignment.
Y'all can, you may need a piece of paper. Raise your hand. You need an extra piece of paper. I'm going to try to find like
I like this. I
that
like
we can put outside.
I like these.
These are so easy to do. I'm going to try to find a fall one. Yes, you can start. At home, you're gonna be answering these on a piece of paper, and we're gonna come back together and discuss them probably right before we have PE. It should be.
Yesterday when I got my, those things that they have to get for your teeth, like cavities and that. Raised.
Pay attention. I'm gonna show you. It's the same thing we just did, AJ. It's the same thing we just did. So let's go do number 1 together. Y'all might need a piece of paper. Do y'all want a piece of paper here?
I turned on this. Wait, so do we like write all of that down?
Hold on. I will show y'all at home what to do. Give them a piece of paper. Scratch paper. Scratch paper. I'm gonna show y'all what to do. I would have given y'all a quiz. A piece of scratch paper if you need it to work out your problem. They give you one here. At home, this is what you're going to be doing. You have to do it 2 different ways. At home, this is what you're going to be doing. Number 1 says you're going to write number 1, 2, and 1/2. So you're going to write each problem down at home, okay? Y'all don't have to do it on a piece of, y'all can do it on your actual piece of paper, okay? Unless you want to do it with me. Mad, we're gonna multiply. What 2 numbers are we multiplying first?
2 and 3. I mean 2 and 2. 1 and 2.
No, 2 and 2.
2 and 2.
Equals 4.
So 2 times 2 is what?
4.
4. Then we have to add plus what? At home, let's go.
2. 1. No.
Pay attention.
No, it's 4 times. It's 4 plus 1.
At home, come on.
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm okay with you answering, but I don't hear them answering. Are y'all writing these down? I'm about to make.
Yes.
Y'all, I may have assigned y'all something in Canvas to do instead.
Okay, so what do we write our answer when we're done?
This is a little.
5/2. So you can just write it right next to it, AJ, or you can go down the side and write 5/2 for number 1 on the side. Yeah, that's what that other paper's for. Y'all can go ahead and keep going. At home, I'm thinking I might want to. Let me see. Maybe I'll just go back and sign y'all something from. What?
It's 5 out of 10.
Y'all keep going here. I may assign y'all.
Okay. Okay.
Canvas first for math. I may make something. Hold on. I may make y'all a quiz instead.
Let's turn on this.
Oh, do I need to move my paper or can y'all see?
On the,
Jacob, can you erase the
I
board?
can see. I was just gonna say, when is the next time that we're gonna have like a break or something so I can go to the restroom?
In about 5 minutes. Hey, not that far.
Okay.
What? Yeah, you can put it on the side or you can put it right next to the question. That's why I gave y'all scratch paper. I'm going to be asking y'all from home what y'all got for certain numbers, so y'all better be working these out. Or I might just work with y'all for a little bit, because I know they can try to do it. Let me see what math has.
Do we do this in our math journal?
Yes, you can do it in a math journal. That's fine. Ray, get started. I'm going to come sit with you in a second once I see what they have. In math, I may give y'all something else to do. Where's Sharon Wells going on? What? I thought Sharon Wells just popped up on here for y'all to see.
Wait, is it okay if you write them right here?
Yeah, that's fine.
That one's
Yeah, you can write them on the side. That's fine with me.
okay.
I'm gonna try to find like a fall one here in a second. Sure.
So Mr. Hernandez,
Oh,
on number 2, it's 7 out of 3.
yeah. I'm trying to think how I could make this into a quiz. I guess I could just take a picture, right? Put it online for y'all to submit. Sounds like a good idea.
Mr. Hernandez.
Yes.
Mr. Hernandez, there's one that says EX or something like that.
Just the example.
Do we do that?
I
Oh,
don't have to do that one. Y'all keep working. You work with me because you weren't here yesterday. Y'all keep working. I'm working with the ones at home. Got it?
wait, did y'all do something this the other day?
Yesterday we did like a little riddle. At home, let's do number 2. Y'all are working it out with me. Y'all can kind of check your answers if y'all want to.
Wait, did you ever figure out where the word was for the riddle?
Fold it in half, I think, right, Adrian?
Yeah, fold it in half.
Fold it in half. At home, what are we multiplying? Number 2. Let's
Number
go.
2,
We're working.
2 and 3.
2 times 3, good. Okay, Ray, you're working with me because you weren't here yesterday. So then we have equals what?
Equals 6. Wait.
Yeah, plus 1, right? So 6
Yes, plus 1 equals. Dang, I didn't write that.
6 plus 1 is what? I just put my 6 up top. Y'all can check with me. What's 6
Hold
plus
on. Wait, what is it? Equals 6 plus 1? Yeah. It's 7.
1? So 7 out of what? I'm going to use a piece of paper here in a second because this is going to get messy. What's our denominator? It stays the same.
3?
3, yeah, 7/3. So this one would be 7/3 on number 2. At home, I'm working with y'all because I don't think y'all got much practice like they did in class yesterday.
Mr. Hernandez, can I go use the restroom?
You have like a minute when the break starts. I should write these down. 2, I'm gonna.
Grace, have you ever been to the dentist?
Yes, I have a dentist appointment in like 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah, so 7 and then 3. I'm gonna write these down on a piece of paper. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start break and be back here at 10. Make sure you use the restroom.
Can I please call the computer?
Okay, we come back at 10?
Yes, at 10. We're working on this and you better have your paper ready to go. You are answering. I'm not ending the Zoom meeting either, so y'all can just stay on. I think we're on what number? Don't forget to add. You're forgetting to you forgot to add on that one. So 14 plus 1. Let's see. 45 plus 8. 53, yeah.
Mr. Hernandez, I finally found cranberry.
43. Right, that was right so far. Yeah, keep going. At home, turn on your cameras. Let's go. 8, 10, and 7, 8. Pizzas. What is the proper fraction in pizzas? Natalie, are you back? Mariah, you're here. We're gonna start working. 87 eighths. Let's do 80 eighths. Be 87 eighths. Let's see. Mariah, you ready?
What?
Unmute yourself. I'm working with y'all that are at home because I don't know how much y'all paid attention yesterday.
Okay. But how I said I wasn't able to
Yeah,
write
these are the
all of
problems.
it, but
These are the problems right here, Mariah. I just wrote them down on a piece of paper. Y'all can work with me or y'all can continue going ahead. You're except Ray Ray.
Is 9 times 5 45?
Yes, where's the multiplication chart? What number are we on, Mariah? 3? Is that the one we're on? Mariah, is that the one we're on? Yeah. Okay, let's do it. What are we gonna multiply? I think you're the only one. The rest of y'all, come on, we're doing it.
Yes.
are you sharing your screen?
Oh, no, I'm not. Sorry, Natalie. That's probably what Mariah was trying to tell me. Y'all can work with me in class or y'all can keep going ahead. Most of you are afraid to keep going ahead. What? Oh, visitor? Okay. Y'all keep going.
2 and 7.
2 and 7. So yeah, 2 and 7.
Miss Hernandez.
Got it. What's 7 times 2? Y'all can work with me or y'all can keep going.
14.
14. What's our next step?
Was it
Next step?
14, Miss Hernandez?
Yeah, it's 14. So we got 14.
14 and 7.
14 plus up top.
14 and 7, right?
14 plus up top. Our number up top. What's our number up
1.
top? Fraction. Yeah, 1. So 14, and then we add 14 plus 1 equals what?
15.
15. So that's our numerator. What's our
15.
denominator? Stays the same, right? It stays the same? Mariah, Natalie, does it stay the same?
What? The 15?
The denominator for number 3, does it stay the same?
The 15, is that what you're talking about, or the number that goes on the bottom?
The number on the bottom.
Like,
We're working on this right here. You finished that already?
that is 7.
Yeah, it says 7. Yeah. Number 4. Let's go to number 4. Let's go to number 4. What's our first step? Just like we did before.
5 at 9 times.
Yeah, 5 and 9. So what's 5 times 9?
5 times 9.
What's 5 times 9? I think Chloe answered that one earlier.
Which one?
Chloe.
45?
Yeah, 45.
It is 45.
Uh-huh. And then our denominator, it stays the same.
40.
Huh? If our denominator stays the same, what is it?
9. 9 goes at the
Yeah, there you
bottom.
go. There's our improper fraction. There you go. Yeah. There we go. Let's do number 5. Natalie, let's do number 5. I know you've been sick, but
Number 5, 8 times 5. 8 times 5.
yep. And what's 8 times 5? What's 8 times 5?
40.
40, yeah. Yeah.
40. 40, yeah.
40. And then we add what to that, Natalie? Let me know what we add to that.
At
40 and then it 40 on
Come on, you were gone yesterday. Yeah, 40 on top. And what goes on bottom?
the bottom.
Mm-hmm. What goes on bottom?
5 at the bottom.
5.
5, yeah. Good job. Let's do number 6. How about y'all try number 6? And I'm going to give you a minute. And then I'm going to come back and ask y'all what y'all got, okay? While I go check these.
We do the rest.
Yeah, yes, y'all online.
Wait, but
What's that?
did you hear me? Because I was
No, you're not
saying
listening.
5 and
Work it out, and then I'm going to come back and see what you got, okay?
oh,
I
okay.
want to see what you can do without me guiding you so much. Let's see. What are we going to multiply first? Right here on the bottom, look at up there. Yeah. We're going to multiply this down here, and then we're going to add it first. So we're going to multiply 6 times 1. What is 6 times 1? Okay, and then we're going to add plus 4 up here. So 6 plus 4, and what do you get?
Oh, she's gone. This is Bishop. Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Can I have another paper?
White piece of paper? Let's see what you got so far.
Yeah, because we need to get it going on Thursday.
Ooh, wait, 46. That is 6. 44, 29. I'm about to come check with y'all at home. 29, 6, 79, tenths. Ooh, 12. I think we need to look at 12. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's 9? No, that's a 1. Okay. 1, 4, 8, 5. Yeah. We're going. Good. Man, I'm glad we did that little riddle yesterday because I think that helped. Let's see. 10. So 10, okay, 10, yeah, and then our denominator is gonna always stay the same. So 10 is gonna be our, okay, we're gonna create an improper fraction. Or 10. Hold on. And then our denominator stays the same. What was our denominator in that fraction? 6. So 6 goes on bottom. Let me lead you a little bit here, and I want you to try, and I'm gonna come back, okay? No, I don't know. 71 tenths. 41 fourths. Yes, you can go back. You've earned your desk back.
Guys, these are pretty easy. I did it without.
Oh, don't say they're easy. That is 3 or 5? Oh, 3. You got 3 here? Okay, yeah. Anybody check your stuff?
Why is there another one on my desk?
Probably because I just accidentally put one there.
Oh, sorry.
Get it? Let me see what you got, because I know they were checking them, but. This is also hoping y'all's multiplication has gotten so much better too. So what's 8 times 3? Come on. You finished? Oh goodness, he said you were doing a good job. I don't know. What are we at? 10 eighths? Okay. 3, 4 tenths, 10 fifths. Okay.
Man, finish opening too fast.
Oh. Bingo. The bottom half of this, you're going to need your chart. Let me put it outside. At home, what do we get for number 6? What are we multiplying first?
1 times 6.
1 times 6. You came back, yes. Plus 4. Wait.
And then
Follow with us. So 6 plus 4 is what?
it is 10.
10? You are like way ahead of us. I can already tell you that right now. 10. We're going through like all of these because I'm not sure they did the afternoon with us or after the break. And what's our denominator? 6. Bingo.
Denominator 6.
Bingo. Bingo.
3 times 8.
3 times 8. Good. I'm glad y'all kept working ahead because I didn't tell y'all. What's 3 times 8?
3 times 8. 24.
So 24 plus what?
8. 5.
So yeah, 24 plus 5. That's what I'm doing. I'm just moving them up there. So 24, 20. Oh, I put 25. My bad.
Equals 29.
Sure.
Right? Because you said 24 times. I mean, not times. Plus.
Hey, now y'all want to.
Yeah, it equals 29.
Y'all can come and join us if y'all want to now, but I'm mainly talking to them because I don't know that they did it all yesterday. 8. What's next on 8?
10 times 9.
10 times 9.
10 times 9.
Okay. What's 10 times 9? Ooh, thank you. What's 10 times 9?
90.
90. What's our next step? 90 plus, come on, you. Let's go.
90 plus 3.
90.
That's 3.
I'm putting my 90 down here. So plus 3. 90 plus 3 is what?
93.
Okay, well, I just got something else for you. I was looking for something folly, but I can't find anything folly. What's our denominator? That one's huge.
9? 3 or 9?
The denominator stays the same. The denominator stays the same. You get them all. Let me check it. Keep going on that. That part. You're gonna need your place
9.
bottom to draw pictures. 9, yeah. Remember, our denominator stays the same. It does not change.
It's always going to be like 9 or like the one that's at the bottom of it.
Yeah, that's where mad comes in. You multiply. We're going to be mad. You're going to multiply, add, and then denominator stays the same. Yes, your denominator will never be the same when you're making an improper fraction. Our next one. Oh, I think I checked the whole thing. Didn't I, Adrian?
No, you only checked the ones I finished.
I don't remember which
9
one.
times 5.
9 times 5
That equals 45.
equals 45. And then what's next?
40.
Ray, come on, stay with us.
1 plus 45.
So 45 plus 1
Missing on this.
equals what? Equals what?
5
46.
46 plus.
Plus,
I'm sorry, not my bad. That was my bad. I'm looking at Adrian's paper over here. That's what I'm trying.
Wait, 40. Wait, you said 46 plus.
That was my fault. Yeah, I'm trying to grade Adrian's paper and help you out at the same time and grade other papers in the classroom,
46 on the top, 5 at the bottom.
which is probably not
5 is the denominator.
physically possible, but somehow it is. All right, number 10. We're going to multiply 10 times what?
10 equals
Tell me. Multiply 10 times what? The 2 or the 4? The bottom number.
4.
Is it 4? Yeah. So 10 times 4 is what? 10, 20, 30,
40.
60. What is it? 10 times 4.
40.
40.
40.
Wait, am I still glitching?
Yeah, you're kind of glitchy.
Yeah, you're glitching.
Because I was saying 40 and
I wanted Ray to answer. Yeah, I can hear you though. I can hear you. Trust me. 40 plus 2.
It's 42.
42. And then our denominator it stays the same. AJ,
Then
what's
the denominator is 4. So it's the same.
oh, your denominator.
It was 4.
4. Yeah, you just put the wrong one.
Miss Hernandez, do we do 11 now?
Yeah, go ahead. I didn't think we would get this far.
Do I tell you what do I tell you like the 11 is?
Just 1 second.
All I need is one more.
Let me check yours if you're almost done with yours. Do 11 and 12, and then I'll come back.
Yikes.
You finished? Oh, we're doing a mixed number now. That's the number of the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna make a mixed number. How many holes do I have, and then what's my fraction? That's why I said I think you'll need the graph paper for that part. You want to get it out? I can show you. Come on. Finish the top already?
Hey, can you give me a cup again?
I don't even know where my cups are. If I give you a cup, everybody else. You need to bring your water.
I bring my water.
Let me see what you got so far. Keep working on that one. 9, 49, 6, 41, 10, 41, 4.
Do I go to the draft when I'm done?
8, yes, 7, 10, 3, 34, 10. Good job, Jacob. So far, so good. So far, so good. Let me see, you finished?
Mm-hmm.
Is it bad? No. Hey, you forgot the denominator on one of these. 6, number 4. You've not ruined, you just forgot your denominator.
First one I will go, no.
Well, it's probably because did you get your teeth cleaned yesterday? That's probably why.
No, because look.
What?
I got one out. Oh,
You got a teeth pulled? Oh, well, that's why.
The power went out.
it doesn't.
Hey,
That is because nobody's in there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it censors people.
good job. AJ, come here. Let's see.
The reason why it's hard to keep because nobody's in the hall.
What did you get? Or what's your denominator? Tell me what it is. No, you're good. Good job. Bingo! But probably gonna be the bottom. We'll end up probably sticking to the bottom. Let's do 11 and 12, and then I got something else I want to do before we go. Before we have PE. No, but
Do I do like the front and down?
yeah, we're gonna probably work on the bottom side of that. I didn't make one for everybody, but. Number 11, what are we multiplying? Come on.
5.
4 times 6.
Nope. What?
4
What?
times 6.
4 times 6. Come on, these two numbers are here. 4 times 6. What's 4 times 6?
It's 20.
24.
24. What's our next step?
That we add 5 times 24. I mean 5 plus
Plus
24.
24 would be what? Would be what?
No, it'll be 20.
So what? Sorry.
Equal 29, and then that will be our numerator, and then 6 will be our denominator.
No, y'all are just shining like little stars right now. Look at this.
I walk that.
Okay, number 12. 7 times. Oh, what number? Oh, I almost gave it away.
7 times 10.
Okay. What's 7 times 10? Hey, let's go. You're
70.
70 plus what?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. So,
Then that equals 71, so that's a numerator.
uh-huh.
And then 10's our denominator.
17.
You're glitching, Mariah, if that's you.
Miss, aren't there 17 questions though?
There's like 20, but we're going to stop here and we're going to do something else. I want to do the mixed numbers to improper fractions.
Okay.
Or improper fractions to mixed numbers. Sorry, the other way. Whose have I not checked? I checked most of yours. I checked yours. He's not done. Did you finish?
Dude, I've got a lot.
Wow.
Did you finish? Did you finish?
Wow.
So, right here, check this out. What's the top part? Check the top part. Let me see. What's 6 times 4?
17 more to go.
Not 23. Not one more. 23. 24. I think he does. 24 plus 5 is 20. So 29. Okay. I'm gonna have to print a couple more of these out. Hold on, I'm gonna have to print. All at home, hold on. I have to print a couple of these out for them. Y'all have been working fabulously. Print. 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 Who has not gotten one? Raise your hand if you have not gotten one of those, the ones Antonio has. I think most of you have not. Or raise your hand if I gave you another paper besides the first one.
I haven't got that one. That color.
Okay, I need like 2 more. 3 more. Hey, don't do that. Adrian. Here you go. You can finish it later. I want to work on a couple of these bottom parts. I want to do the other way. You need your graph paper again, preferably not the one that has the place value label. You already got one. You already got one.
I haven't taken
You already got one.
I have one.
We're not going to do all these. We're going to do a few. I want to see if we remember the other way now. At home, we're going to focus on the bottom. So, I know it's really hard for y'all because y'all don't have graph paper, but we're going to do the best we can. We're going to focus on the bottom part down here. Are y'all paying attention? Look, everybody, AJ, Adrian, we're doing these bottom parts now, okay? We're going to go the other way. So we're going to have to draw our pictures like we were the other day. So we got 23/4. We can either divide or we can draw our pictures. How many parts is my cake going to be cut into? Y'all have the paper. Come on, and graph paper. Let's go. At home too, y'all can answer this too. Can y'all see? Y'all would just have to draw the pictures. Y'all won't have cameras need to be on. Let's go. Y'all will not have to. Where's the graph paper? Graph paper. Where's the graph paper? Everybody's doing this. Let's go. We're gonna do like 3 or 4 of these. Then we're gonna have an exit ticket. What is it, or what is it going to be? It's a question about fractions. Should all get right. Everybody has a graph paper? What?
We're gonna draw.
Yeah, we're gonna draw them like we've been doing. hold on. We're gonna draw them like we did the other day. Okay, so how many parts is our cake gonna be cut into? Our denominator tells us how many parts. Come on, wakey. I know you're probably like overloaded. How many parts? Our denominator, what is it? Come on, huh? 4. I heard somebody say 4. So we're gonna have 4 parts. Let's count by our 4s. How many of these cakes are we gonna have to buy to feed everybody? Come on, y'all. More than 4. 4, 8. Let's go. 4, 8. What's next?
16,
12. 12. Let's go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Do I have enough yet with 5 cakes or do I need more? Do I need more? Pay attention. I need more. I need 1 more, right? All right. Yes, I need 6. That's 6. 6 should be enough. Let's see. At home, you are drawing these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Somebody from home tell me how many little individual pieces I'm going to shade in. Somebody from home. Cameras need to be
23?
Yeah, 23. Good job. Good job. 23. Let's shade in 20. 23.
And are we gonna have to shade in 4?
Nope. That's how many pieces we cut our cake into. That's why we have these cakes cut into 4s. Come on. We're almost done. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, now we have our pictures. Let's see. Now you can get your mixed number. If you're drawing our pictures, you will sit back up there with me again if you're not working. Got it? Come on. It's not 7. You're going to get to draw another picture. Where? How'd you draw it? Each cake is cut into 4 pieces. I don't know where you got 7.
No, that's the whole.
It's not 7. I shaded in 7 holes. I did not. You got to draw the pictures. You don't have very many, I think, where you're going to have to do this on your test, but either that or you're going to have to divide. Bless you. Let's go. I need these pictures drawn and shaded in. We're not twirling our pencil. You get yours already? 5 and 3/4. Good job. Let's do the next one. Let's count by our 6s. So 6, what's next? 18. So we're going to need how many pictures? At least 3. So draw 3 and each one's going to have 6, okay? Oh, you're just adding to it. Cheater. Cheater. That's smart. All right. How many holes did I shade in? How many whole cakes did I eat? Jacob. 5 whole cakes I ate for dessert. Woo, man, I hope there were mini cakes. All right. What did I eat of that last cake before my pants just started busting open because I ate too much? Huh? What? 3. And our denominator stays the same. Mariah, what's my denominator? Are you there? No, she left. Oh, yeah, she is there.
Right here.
What's my denominator if it stays the same?
It is not
If it stays the same, what is my denominator?
4.
4.
For 1, right?
Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. Graph paper, like Jacob said, it is the best thing ever. It deserves respect. It does deserve respect. Because it's worthy of it. Let's go on to number 2. Let's go on to number 2. Michael showed me this trick. How many parts am I going to cut my cake into on the next problem? 6. So Michael showed me this trick just now. He just added to this. So I'm just going to add. He just made this trick. Instead of drawing another picture, he used the picture he already had.
Huh. What was the answer for number 1?
Right here. Come on. How many am I I gonna shade in? I'm gonna unshade these though. Somebody tell me, how many am I gonna shade in? Oh, I'm hungry. How many am I gonna shade in? What's my numerator?
14.
14. So how many am I gonna shade in?
14.
14. Let me get the shade.
14 and then 6.
And 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, that needs to be shaded a little more. 2, 3, 6. Good job. Good job. And if you're uncertain about your answer, you could always go back and do math and see if you get your answer the same, your improper fractions the same. If not, you could assume you got it right. Do I color these in?
Miss Hernandez, do we have music today or
Thursday, we have PE.
wait, did you say yes because your voice was good too?
We always have PE.
Oh,
Monday and Tuesday.
tomorrow's Friday, right?
And Fridays, it's now you're going, well, I don't know what they're doing, but y'all are going to the, I guess they go to PE, I don't know. Y'all go to computer lab.
We go to computer.
How many whole pictures did I shade in? Somebody, come on, how many whole pictures did we shade in?
2.
2. So then my fraction is what?
2.
Oh.
2 out of 2 out of 2 out of 2. No, 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3.
No, what's my denominator? My denominator is always going to be the same.
2 out of 6.
When we're working with mixed numbers and then improper fractions, it's always going to be the same. This graph paper is a lifesaver. Let's do one more. Maybe 2 more. Let's do 6 and 7. I should have just cut my 6. Let's go to this side because I don't want to move my paper. How many parts on number 6 is my cake going to be cut into? We're skipping to that side, number 6. How many parts? Somebody tell me, home or in class? Let's go. At home. Turn on your cameras. I swear, I'm going to keep y'all with me longer. No, them. They're with their cameras off. Come on. How many parts is my cake? 6. I need to hear y'all. Unless you've got a reason like Natalie that you're sick, then you do. Do I have enough or do I need to draw another cake? Come on, that means y'all too. Y'all are participating just like them. We need to draw another cake. How many am I going to shade in? What?
8.
Ocho. Yeah.
8.
Yeah. 8. Whoa. Ocho. Ocho. What is my? What is my? Let me see what y'all got on your paper for number 8. I'm coming by to check because I want to see. I know Mike was doing it. Come on. 1 and. All right. He's got it. He's got it. Let me see. Yeah, use a highlighter. Give me a highlighter.
I have 3 more.
Is that 1 and 2, 6? Is that what that? Is that what that is?
I just have 3 more.
Let's see. Let's see what you got. Okay, come on, let's go. That's why you've been sitting with me up there, because you get work done when you're up there. What did you get? Come on. I've got it up there for y'all. Y'all are just not doing it with me. Come on, let's go. I already did the hard work for all of y'all.
I got the answer.
You're doing the wrong one.
The answer
But how many on the last part do I have shaded in?
There's two other ladies walking, other than the ones that walked in.
Right.
I don't know. They already went. Anyway, I'll get back to you.
Okay. Over there, how many do you have shaded in the last part? Not one. How many do you have shaded in? The ones, right? Okay, what did you put there?
1 out of 6.
How many did you shade in? 2, yeah. Oh, beans and cheese. Come on, what do you have shaded in? Let's go. I have one. Okay, 1 hole, so put a 1 there. And then how many on that last part do you have shaded in? 2? AJ, you better have it. Okay, better, much better. Put these pencils away. You can't write with your desk like that. Can you take mine? Look, I did the hard work for you already. You did it too. So how many holes do you have shaded in there? 1, okay. And then what on that next part?
I need to see straight.
Jacob, wash your hands or whatever you're doing so you can go. Your denominator goes on the bottom and it stays the same. So how many did you shade in? 2. Good.
What time does the meeting end?
Never. Come on, why have you not drawn this picture yet? Never. For y'all online. 25, 27, yeah, that's right. 12, 14, yep, that's right. At home, what is my mixed number for this problem?
27, 8 out of 6.
What is my mixed number though? How many holes are shaded in? A mixed number means it's got a whole number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and a fraction. 1 hole.
Eight.
1 hole. 1 whole picture shaded in. Come on, we're almost done. You got 1 more after this. Yes.
And 1 out of a big 1 and 2 out of 6.
And 2 out of 6. Good job. Okay, I will do the hard part for y'all up here. I'm going to draw the picture. Are y'all paying attention? Pay attention or I'm going to do another one. I'm going to draw the picture for y'all. I will do the hard part. I want here answered. So 5, is that 5? 4, 5. Okay. 5. Oops, I ran out of space. I'm doing the hard part for you. How many am I going to shade in? How many am I going to shade in on number 7?
27.
27, okay. Whew. I did the hard part. Look how easy it is with the graph paper too, though. It is easy. Look, and we're not just using it for place value. Do y'all see how we're using it for other things other than place value? A lot more things. We'll use it for multiplication and division here eventually. Go. I want to see your whole or your mixed number. So that means how many complete holes did I shade in? And then what is my fraction next to that complete hole? That's what it means. Bingo. And then answer. Bingo. If I were on tomorrow on this test, I would have my place value chart out just in case. Hey, you don't have to draw the picture. Now you have too many. That's 10. That's 10 pieces. That's 10 pieces. That's too many.
Mr. Hernandez, I can't really hear you because your voice is good. See?
You have to cut them in half. So cut them in half. Look at mine. What do mine look like? They only have one column or one row. See? Yours have 2. Look, you don't have to do this part, Chloe. I already did it for you. So how many total did I shade in there? Give me your mixed number. You don't have to draw it. How many holes did I shade in it? And then what's the fraction of the last part? Write it down on number, what is that, 8? 7? I did the hard part for you. How many holes did I shade in? And then what's the fraction? I don't want you to draw this one because we're going to do an exit ticket. Next number. Hey, what did you get? You're gonna be working with that at home group too. Let's go. How many holes are shaded in here? We're not throwing our pencil. 5. And then what's my fraction? I need somebody else to answer the fraction part.
I already got the answer.
Most of you already have it here. What's the fraction of the last part that I ate of my...
This one, you look at this one again.
What's my fraction?
Today, I wish it was harder.
It almost is. What's my fraction?
What?
Adrian, what's my fraction here?
Where?
Up here on number 7.
5.
2 out of 5. All right. We go. Okay. We are going to.
You gotta do an exit ticket.
I am going to do an exit ticket. An exit ticket. That means at home you're entering your answer in the chat and you're not going anywhere until I see your answer. And if you don't answer, you're going to sit with me until you answer. Hold on. I'm going to zoom out.
To number 7.
This is an exit ticket. It goes in the chat. When y'all are done answering, I need either A, B, C, or D in the chat.
Oh. Okay. Mrs.
Stick
Hernandez.
it on the board one at a time over there. And your name needs to be on the back. Do you understand?
The back of what?
The sticky note I'm giving you. So let me read it. Miss Hernandez ate 10 7/8 pizzas. What is the improper fraction? That means you're getting mad. Y'all got it?
Yeah.
You answer either A, B, C, or D. Let's go. Let's go. Put your name on here, and I want you one at a time to stick it on there when you have your answer.
Wait, is this like the problems we were just doing?
What's the problem? It's up there. Put your book away and pay attention. Let's go. This is the problem. You're getting mad. If you can't see, you need to come up here and see.
Oh, wait.
I can't make it any
Are you
bigger.
gonna have like a problem from up there?
You're gonna, the problem's right there. I need the answer on a sticky note. So what is the answer? I ate 10 7/8 pizzas. You're gonna convert that to an improper fraction. I haven't even, oh yeah, I got my answer. I know my answer.
Where do we write the answer?
You write either A, B, C, D on the sticky note, and then you stick it over there on that exit ticket little sign on the back of the door. Let's go. So y'all should be writing on your paper, you should be writing 10 7/8 and then converting it to an improper fraction. On the back of the door, it says exit ticket. Y'all aren't going, we're not going anywhere until I see everybody get it right.
Do we do A?
Go back and work on that again.
Do we just have to do one answer?
Yes. Okay, here. You can stick it on this.
Yeah. Wait, I haven't written my name in the back.
Let's go. In the chat, I need to see what y'all got, either A, B, C, or D.
Why do we pull out to do this one?
What?
Why do we pull out?
You don't pull out anything. You're converting 10 7/8 like we just did to an improper fraction.
I actually did.
Yeah, like we were just doing. Uh-huh.
I see this.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Try again, RJ.
Wait,
Azu, good job.
Mr. Hernandez.
87, what's our
Mr. Hernandez, no, that's what I was asking you. Like, is this the same thing as the thing? And it is. So then I got it.
this one? It's 10 7/8. We just did a bunch of these. Up here, you need to know what you're multiplying,
I know.
what you're adding.
Can you take mine?
Let me see. Write it down. Where's your fraction? 10 7/8. Let me see it on that piece of paper written down. Don't worry about the answers. Nah, that's not my fraction. You're literally just doing what we did a whole 20 problems on. 10 7/8. Write 10 as. Yeah. What are you multiplying? We just did a bunch of these.
Yes.
I don't know what the confusion is. I'll go sit down.
Mine.
The big D.
What am I missing? Yours? AJ, you put yours up there.
Yep.
I got yours. Antonio, yours up there?
Yeah, I'm bringing that
Right.
one.
Oh, it's ready.
Okay.
I feel like I was the only one who did that. Wait, Mario or Big Chunky eating?
You got 87/8. Is that yours? In the middle right here? What is it? Is that, did you do this? What is it? Where's this piece?
Wait, no, that should be a bit of this. Like,
I go over there to
Oh, you don't need all the answers on that.
Adrian.
That's the ticket. Y'all made it way harder. Before we go, what are we multiplying? AJ, Adrian, what are we multiplying before we go? I don't know why all of a sudden this is like crazy because it's got words. 10 and 8. What's 10 times 8?
80.
Why? I don't know why this has became so complicated because it's got words.
87. 87
87.
out of 8.
87 out of 8. I don't know why this became so complicated for everybody. We just did 20 problems like this. Majority of y'all had them wrong because it's got words in it.
Ms. Hernandez,
Mariah, why'd you
I
get
was with A and B because
add? Y'all forgot to add. That's why you got A, I think.
I got the letter D.
Y'all,
Letter D? Wait, did he say letter D?
you got 80 instead of 87.
Yeah, I.
Take that part.
But I knew that there's another step because the 7. Because I know there was supposed to be like a 7 somewhere, like to add it something, but I didn't.
All right, we'll see y'all back at 12:25. We have PE. What? Let me see what you got. Yes. We literally just did this and y'all forgot how to do it. In the matter of like 3 seconds. Line up, Chloe.
What time do we come back?
12:25.
Okay.
12:25, you have PE.